loves, it's Sam. So today I'm going to be doing a GlobeIn unboxing. So this is a new box to me. I've never actually tried them before, but they have the cutest different boxes and they have a ton of different ones. Kind of cool. It's a little bit different to normal subscription boxes because you have a choice on which box to get, which is kind of fun. I do have a coupon code. It is Samantha S in all capital letters, and that is going to save you guys some money, so be sure to take advantage of that. GlobeIn is a purpose-driven company growing in parallel with entrepreneurial artisan partners from around the world with the aim of enriching individuals and their communities. We are devoted to transparent business practices, equitable and sustainable partnerships, and respect for cultural continuity. We strive to connect conscious consumers with delightful products and the talented artisans who make them. It tells you where each of the boxes are from. So this one, for example, is Morocco and Mexico. This one is Mexico, India, and Rwanda. And there's like a lot of upcycled materials, sustainably sourced animal byproducts, recycled materials, natural fibers. So first is this gorgeous little stool. It's like rattan, so that's what the top looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, it is so beautiful. Isn't that so pretty? And like obviously like it is handmade, so it's, you know, it's got its own little quirks to it. It's very cool. So that's like a beautiful little stool that I absolutely love. And then the next piece I got are these really pretty little coasters. So this is from Kazi Goods. They are an African brand, and they're these really pretty little colorful coasters. So you get 4 of them. These are hand woven coasters. Craftswomen in Uganda use timeless tradition to weave carefully dyed raffia fibers and sweetgrass to make stunning one-of-a-kind pieces. Aren't those beautiful? I absolutely love those. The next thing we have is a little blue glass. I'll put it over here so you can see better. So it's just a really gorgeous blue glass. Drink some water. You could set it on your little stool here. Then we have another blue glass. So we have a set of 2. Well, that's good. Now we have 2 little blue glasses. So that is super cute. And then it comes with those little coasters that match. Oh, it matches the stool. So this is the Oasis box. It tells you a little bit of information about it. It says this is the Jungle at Home Artisan Box. Themes to ship the jungle right to your doorstep. Get ready to invite the garden inside and turn your world into a self-made tropical luxury hotel. Ooh, fancy. So this says that it's by Kumari Sonika. The country is India and the company is Sasha Exports. And this says it's a beautiful Sarkanda rattan stool. It's made by a large community of artisans based in, I have no idea how you say it, Mukteshwar, about 60 miles east of India's capital, New Delhi. Kumari Sonika is one of the artisans who worked on your stool. She has been working in handicrafts for the last 5 years. She learned to weave in her late teens as she worked alongside her parents. This work allows her to support her family and work from home. Kumari says that she is proud of the work she does as she feels that working with her hands is a dignified way to earn a living. That's really cool, you guys. I just feel like it's kind of cool that you actually like know a story behind the person that made the stuff that you have in your home. So the glasses right here are made by Labid Mohammed. These are a tea glass and they are blue and a set of 2. The country is Morocco and the company is Laver Beldi. Your tea glasses start their long journey to you as a recycled glass collected through Morocco. Laver Beldi in Marrakesh is the last artisanal hand-blown glass workshop in Morocco. One of the talented artisans who made your glasses is Labid Mohammed. He is a proud father who lives in Marrakesh with his family. He's been working with glass since 1986 and got his start in the famous Sauver Maroc glass factory in Casablanca. But when the factory closed, he moved to Marrakesh and started working for Laver Beldi. Okay, and then for the little coasters, it was by Yulita Nakagwa. And that's from Uganda, and the company is Kazi Goods. It says that she's a talented weaver from Uganda. Long before working with our partner Kazi Goods, Yulita learned to weave from a friend and began taking her crafts to the local market, but she reports that her crafts would take too long to sell, and if they did, local merchants would pay her very little for her effort. One day, Yulita was approached by employees of our partners Kazi Goods and all across Africa and encouraged her to collaborate. When she did, she said she found that her crafts sold for a reasonable price, and she was consistently paid on time. Oh, that's so nice. I love that. So basically, on the very last page, it gives you a perfect summer drink for your Oasis, the mojito, 1 serving. So it gives you a little recipe on the back here. And basically, you've got your coasters, your cute little cups to go on your coasters, and then your stool to hold your coasters. It's so cute. So that's my GlobeIn Oasis box. Very, very cute. I will leave the link down below for you guys to check out GlobeIn and see the other boxes that they have available. Again, there are a ton of different ones to choose from. So just depending on your vibe and your style, you can choose which one you think is best for you. I absolutely love this one. I think it's gorgeous. I love the stool. I mainly got it for the stool. You guys know I'm not a huge fan of blue, but the stool I absolutely loved, and I was like, okay, I have to have that. But also, because I live in Tahoe and the whole theme of Tahoe is keep Tahoe blue, I thought I might as well have some little blue glasses, right? And some blue coasters. I think that that is super cute. And make sure to take advantage of that coupon code. That will save you guys some money. I hope that you guys enjoyed this and found it helpful and like my background. Oh, I love it so much. I just love this wall. It's so beautiful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll show you guys kind of how I don't know where I'm gonna put this stool. I actually might put it on the fireplace. It's super cute. I love you guys. Huge thank you to GlobeIn for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.